Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve these beautiful crochet box braids. Stay tuned. Okay, so before we get started, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you know every time I post a video. Now let's get into it. So again, we are doing some crochet box braids. These are all individual braids, no cornrows. Definitely loving this style. So let me show you what I use. I use the Janet Collection 2x Jumbo Koi box braids in the 14-inch in the color 1B. So I was sent this hair from Janet Collection. They sent me 8 packs and I used all 8 packs except for these 5. So this is what the hair looks like. The jumbo braids with the curl at the end. Super cute. Loving, loving, loving these braids. So let me show you how I achieve this look. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I use the Camille Rose Black Castor Oil and Shea Butter shampoo and deep conditioner. And I let my hair sit in my Gemini Naturals microfiber towel. So now I am ready for styling. For styling, I'll be using that hair butter from the same Camille Rose line. So I'm sectioning off the back section of my hair and I am using my jam to help me straighten my parts as much as possible. My part is definitely not the straightest, but we're gonna make it work. So now that the back section is parted off, we're going to go in with that butter and moisturize our hair. So after moisturizing, I went ahead and started sectioning off my hair and adding rubber bands to it. And now that my hair is all sectioned, we are ready to braid it up and get started on styling. So again, for styling, we're using the Janet Collection Nala Tress Premium Edition 2x Jumbo Koi 14-inch box braids. That's a mouthful. I'm starting by going in with my crochet hook and I am inserting the crochet hook underneath the braid. I'm attaching the crochet box braid to the crochet hook, pulling it through my hair. Once it's secure, I go ahead and crochet the end through the hole there, and then I secure it in place by tightening it up. As you can see, my braid is left out on the side. So now with my braid that is left out, I am just going to wrap it around the base of the box braid. And there you have it, all done. So I'm going to show you that one more time. I will say that I would definitely recommend braiding only halfway down and leaving the bottom half of your hair just loose, because when I was wrapping it around the box braid, you can see my braid a little bit better than you would be able to see if it was just my hair unbraided wrapped around. It will be a little more seamless. So next time I will definitely not braid all the way to the end, leave the end unbraided, so that when you see that piece that's wrapped around the braid, it looks very seamless. Either way, I'm definitely loving this look. My hair is just about done. I left 2 braids out in the front just to give you some more angles on how I insert the crochet braid and how I wrap my hair around the root of the braid. I also started adding some got-to-be glue at the base of my hair as I'm wrapping around, just to help it stay secure. And that is it. Quick, easy, simple, and cute individual crochet braids. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these jumbo individual crochet box braids. Let me know if you tried this style, if you've tried this style before. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.